I knew the food world was going to be my world. From a young age, I loved baking, I loved cooking. I did it all the time at home. I'd feed neighbors, I'd go to soccer games, and I'd bring snacks. But it wasn't solidified until I went to high school. I had to sit there and be like, okay, what do I want to do with the rest of my life? And I watched Food Network, obviously, like most people. And I just thought it was the coolest thing. Being a chef just seemed so amazing. You get to be creative, you get to sit there and run around on a high-intensity kitchen. I loved everything about it. So I decided to go to the Culinary Institute of America. The most exciting part of culinary science so far has been applications. Not only are we learning what each ingredient does in the classroom, but we get to come in here and the chef is like, okay, make me a thickened salad dressing, make me a beverage. You have to apply what you learned in the class itself. So we do every part of it. We're doing market research right now, so we're going through businesses, top trends, culinary trends. So I like not only learning academically what we're doing, but physically getting to see the end product and seeing if it works. When I went to the Women's Food Service Forum, we learned a little bit about it on the first day. It is based on empowering women in the food service industry as a whole, as CEOs, as executives, anywhere from line cooks, making sure women are getting treated as equally as their men counterparts, which was really cool. And after, we would all attend different sessions, so we'd see different speakers, we would sit at different tables and talk to different marketing people or food scientists. And at the very end of the day, we'd get together and we would all excitedly talk about what we learned, who we met. Like, oh, we met this amazing person, you gotta meet her. And then we'd exchange business cards. It's just so much fun. I'd like to be in product development or in research and development, whichever comes first. I hope this degree will be able to take me internationally. I'd like to see how to work with different ingredients from different regions with different cultures. And really, all of this has been made possible for me through the generosity of scholarship donors, so I'd like to thank them all very much. I'm Madison Giacherio, and I'm in the bachelor's program for culinary science at the Culinary Institute of America. Proud to be CIA.